Blue Daze is a very nice and beautiful flower. I just love them. They are blue color inside the white, another cute little flower shape. As you can see guys, they are just amazing. When they are bloom a lot of amount, they are just in another level of beauty in the garden. And yeah, this footage is when the first day I just bought them. I bought them a big pot of plants, which actually quite big. Yes, and of course there are some flowers as well. That's why I bought them willingly. And here are two plants. I just bought two plants. One is I gifted to my colleague and she couldn't make it alive for long days. Her plant was died within 2 weeks because of her balcony doesn't have enough sunlight. She has only 1.5 hour of sunlight daily, so it's not enough for the plants. And you can see I just put them another side of my balcony outside of the railing so that they can get enough sun. And you can see they are quite bushy. Huge sunlight and just water make them so much healthier. And of course I chop them and trim them very often to get more flower. As much as branches you can get, as that much flower you will get. See, the bee is happily having its food. So yes, I have lots of flower every day because I have so many branches. I chop them so many times. That's why they are quite bushy. And in my balcony I have at least 3-4 hours of sun. That's why they are surviving very easily. Without this amount of sun, actually they are not growing properly. They just survive, but they couldn't give you so many flowers.